MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 1, Fun at School, we will learn about preposition of means. So, open up page number 15 and let's get started. There are 4 pictures given. Let's see what they are about. Let's look at the first picture. It says that I sharpen my pencil with a sharpener. What do? I sharpen my pencil with a sharpener. Now let's look at the second one. I kick the ball with my foot. What do I do with my foot? Yes, I kick the ball. Now let's look at the third one. I catch the ball with my hands. With what do I catch the ball? My hands. Now let's look at the last one. I write my diary with a blue pen. With what do I write my diary? Yes, a blue pen. Now, did you see the highlighted word in the pictures above? The highlighted word with in the text above is a preposition of means. It can be used to indicate what is being used to perform an action. Like in the sentences, we were using a sharpener to sharpen the pencil. Now, let's do an activity. Make some sentences using the preposition with. If you have any difficulty, ask someone in the family for help. Write these sentences on a loose sheet.